When you're teaching history, a lot of students, they might not know the content at all, right? This is gonna be stuff that's brand new to them. So it's just nice to see like that shine in their face. Wow, this is actually really interesting stuff. And then sometimes students actually, they don't think that they like history coming into it, but then when they start learning about this stuff, they leave the classroom and they're like, oh, I wanna learn more about that. That's obviously really helpful because you don't want to jump into that stereotype that history is an old and boring subject. And the university really helped prepare me with a lot of resources that I can now use to teach history in a new, innovative, and fun way. Some of my favorite memories from being a history educator at UNI definitely is just the fact that I could go to any professor and really talk with them. Have really good open discussions about stuff that's going on not only in history, but stuff that's happening at the current times. So that was one of the things I really enjoyed, was developing really good professional relationship with my professors, as well as my friends too, right? The fact that we have so many people in the education program, it's nice to have people who are actually not just education, but history education.
So we have the oldest program in the state, and you can really tell because we have a cohort of students that are doing history ed, and there's a number of things that the department offers that programs that are less focused on teaching don't. So what I've always enjoyed most at UNI is really working with the students, and particularly the ones that are going to become teachers. I think it's really exciting that they're going to go out and teach history to the next generation. That's so important. So to try to get them enthused and try to give them all sorts of ways to make history interesting for the young generation, I find that really fun.
Once you realize the reward of teaching students history, teaching students stuff that is not new to the world, but new to them, it's very impactful and it makes you feel really good at the end of the day.